Hello friends, welcome to Study Box. Friends, let's learn what is pseudo class and what is pseudo elements. There are a lot of times when you got a question like pseudo class versus pseudo element. So let's see what is the difference and how we are working on it. Friends, let's start with pseudo class. Pseudo class defines a state of an element. So we can stylize of any element which has some states. That means you need to know what is the state of that element, and as per that you can do some codings. For example, suppose I have a button and the default button color is like red. What is my requirement? If I click at that time on click, the color should change. So this is a state. Click is a state. When you clicked, it is an active state. Correct. Similarly, we have mouse over state. Mouse over state, what it does, when you brings your mouse over any text, at that time it is a like active state. There is an state called active, visited. So these are the states of any element. Clicked. So you can work on this. So let's see the code syntax. Selector, suppose this is my selector. Selector means any selector. I am taking for example element selector. This is div tag, div. Then this is a pseudo class. So div hover. Hover means mouse over. Okay, I'm just giving an example, hover. So if I will do my mouse over this div, I want to get some design or some style to be changed. Okay, see here the example, div hover and the code. Correct. So let's start doing coding, then we'll understand better. So I'm creating a div tag and writing lorem ipsum dollar. Okay, now I'm taking element selector and giving color as red. Okay, let's save. Let me, yeah, so it's a red color. Okay, now my requirement is when I do my mouse over on this text, I want it should be changed. So let's do the code. Div hover, sorry, hover, then color I'm giving as green. Saved. Refresh. See, so many times we have seen like we have number of list or navigation. When I'm doing a mouse over to click that, it changes the color, right? So similarly we can use this stylize also, lorem ipsum. Okay, mouse over. Fine. So this is how. Also we can add another property like background color. I'm giving yellow. Save it. Refresh. Okay friend, so this is pseudo class. Okay, so what pseudo class is does, pseudo class, it checks the state means hover, active, visited, this kind of states. So we have anchor tag also. For that also you can use it. Anchor tag means here it will be a and here will be hover, visited, active. So like this you can try. Okay friends, so let's move to the next topic, pseudo elements. So what is pseudo element? Friends, pseudo class, you understand, it is based on the state. Now pseudo element provides you functionality where you can capture a small part or some part of an element's data. Correct. For example, I have this line, okay, and I want only the first word to be changed, the stylize, or the first letter only, or from this entire first line only. Got it? When some part I want to be changed. So the syntax is selector, suppose div, double, you see here two times I have used colon. Okay, colon, then pseudo element. Pseudo elements, friend, you have different pseudo elements. For example, here first line, first letter, first word, like this we can use. Okay, so P, first letter, first line, like this. So let's see the example. Okay, so for this only I'm creating div double colon first letter. I'm trying first. Let me see if anything is available or not. Font size 30px saved. Understand? So this is how we are using, and also you can use font like first word, first line. Okay, friends. So like this we are using. So the difference you understood, right? The difference is class it checks the state. Okay. Pseudo class checks the state. Pseudo element checks the part of any element. Okay, it deals with some part and it deals with a state. This is the difference. Okay, friends. So in next chapter we'll learn something new. Thank you.